This is ready sir program.
Recess program. Okay, I'll ask him.
This is arm scale. So scale arm, which is used, which is generally used for connecting. Hello, can you hear me well? Yeah. Well, coming back to your session on Aprl is basically a European style window which has two concepts in one single window, having one handle with two operating mechanisms. One is a grid when you put the handle towards the top, it is grid. And this is basically for ventilation, it's for security. A kid or a human cannot enter over here. That is the reason we use this in European standard protocol in Europe or European countries. Most of the people use this one at home, avoiding ice or ice fall coming down, snowfall coming down. Avoid that. Only for the ventilation. This is used. So we call it as radiator. It is only used for that purpose. Coming back to operable, emergency when there's a fire break out or anything, a person can open this and move up. So that's the reason Aprl is famous in European countries, and people tell it us that this is European standard. Exactly right. We don't deny it for it. But coming up here in India, yes, this is a new product. Everyone can try, everyone can use it over here based on your architect design. Whatever the weight or width, height of the window, it matters a lot. If you have a dimension, please share with us. We will give you a recommended hardware based on the weight capacity so that it is easy and very easy for a normal human to function it. Even at any age, a child also can operate it. It's such an easy operation. So these hardwares which I explained to you already installed in it. If any person or any customer requires a bottom locking, yes, this has a bottom locking. If you require an extension arm stay, that depends on the width of the window, so we can provide that. If you have a height of the window, we will give you multiple locking mechanisms in it. You will have not only one stack, one handle, you will have the locking, multiple lockings in the top, sides, behind, towards the hinge. All that operation comes out. Any doubts on this? Any questions? Please ask me. I can share the mic with you if anyone has any questions or any queries. Anyone? Well, no issues. Thanks for that. And let's continue with wonder operator. This mechanism, I would like Mr. Krishna sir to explain.
This we call it as this we call it as wonder operator. But easy naming, we made it as a wonder operator. The main function of this is when you are in kitchen, you want to leverage the space. Basically, this is used for casement window. So casement window where you will have more space, more ventilation purpose which can use. But when you go to sliding, almost 50% of the space is wasted. But when coming to the casement, no space is wasted. And especially this hardware is used for casement. And if you want to open a regular window, so the weight and everything will be taken care by hinges. The only function of this operator is to open the window with opening. See, like, and the major usage of this is which this can be used in kitchen, and when you have a height window at the stairs or in the home, then we can use the height window where we can operate from here. This is for the regular opening, where now the angle of this window is almost 60 degrees, but if you want for 90 degrees or if you want for 180 degrees, then additional linkage will be provided where you can use it. And if you want for 30 degrees, you can move this operator to here, you can restrict up to 30 degrees. If you want 90 degrees, if you move this side, it will go up to 90 degrees. If you want for 180 degrees, an additional thing will be given here, and it will open up to 180 degrees. This is for regular basement opening. And now I want for the hung. So here is the hung window, where this will be restricted up to here. Depending on the size you need for the hung, the size of the operator will be decreased here. So here also the weight and everything will be taken care by the hinges itself. Only the operation of this will be controlled by this operator. Guys, if you want to practically see and train, you can please ask. Somebody wants to operate also. Yes, sir, please. Yes, yes. Especially this is very useful. Any case. Yes, sir. There are applicators which are using this. Sir, want any mistakes? And if you want to restrict the size of this, so we can reduce the size according to the size.
আমার
So if there is outside there are a little bit ventilation.
क्या वो बीच में गया इधर से?
बस उधर क्या काम है उधर वो उधर क्या जरूरत ही नहीं है।
एक आदमी तो पकड़ने का तो चाहिए ना.
If you don't take any weight, sir, hinges will take. Everywhere you can see the hinges there, only hinges will take. This operating is just to push and pull. Push and pull. That's it.
ए उधर
This will qualify as other operators. Easy convenient for other people be replaced by other operators. Yes, sir.
चल
If we change the direction,
అవును.
because the weight and everything have to take a weight. This is the aluminum wood. In aluminum wood, wherever you want you can use this. There is no restriction for this hardware. So this is MS with open. And this one is cheap. So, yes, this one. Wonder operator. Wonder operator. Yeah. Just repeat it. Just repeat it. This operation is Since 4 years we are using this windows. For every demonstration, everywhere we are using since 4 years. Now let's go to the live demonstration. So how the installation will happen. Let's have it now.
Hey everyone, I hope you are able to hear me again back. Hello. Happy to
Video भी निकाला है।
inform you about Wonder Operator. I hope you have seen the touch and feel of the product. Well, coming to the mechanism, it's a normal UPVC window having a normal sash. You have a glass, whatever glass, one-way, tinted or plain glass, you can utilize over here. Hinge based on your requirement. It can be a 2D hinge or it can be a friction stay. And next part of that is more important for us in a Wonder Operator. This is the entire mechanism tool. This tool is being connected to the sash, and the other way we drill out a hole and we take this mechanism on the outer sash, outer frame of this, and then we add a handle. This mechanism works. So this is the entire mechanism what we use in Wonder Operator. So if you have any queries on this, if you want to have a feel of the hardware, yes, you can please come down, have a look of it. Anyone, please walk in. Any queries regarding this hardware, please do let us know. We are happy to help you out with all your queries over here. Any queries, or if you want to touch and feel of the product, we are there. Or you want me to install it and show it to you once over here. Installation, I think so it will be much more easy. We can help them out if anyone has any query. Yeah. What the major requirement is, we have the sash and the outer frame. Normal top hang windows or openable windows, what gap do you give or a fabricator gives? It will be the same gap. It's only the mechanism over here which will be installed and which will be shown to you people. Example, this is for a top hang window. The mechanism which we used, we have screwed it in the center. When it comes to an openable, there is the length over here which has been attached and which allows you to open at 60, 30 or 90 degree or 180 degree. We will be helping you out what hardware, which frame, how it requires and what weight capacity. So it will be much more helpful for us if you have any queries regarding this. We are happy to answer all your queries over here. Any queries on this topic? Oh, I think so that's great what Krishna sir has mentioned. The sash and the frame, if any fabricator is making a window and wants to get this installed by himself, there should be a just 6 mm gap between the sash and the outer frame. So if I rotate this and if I show it to you, the gap will be very minimal. Anyone who's able to see this, it's a very minimal gap. It's a 6 mm gap over here. There's no chance of the window getting sag or anything as such because the hardware capacity is very good. Again, when it comes to your hinge, the hinge which you use should be more capable enough to handle the window getting sag. Well, take out that also. We will give you a demonstration again on Wonder Operator for openable part. I think so most of you were feeling that openable is more better than going to a top hand. So we'll help you out with that also. So, as you had a query on the hardware of being a Wonder Operator in the openable section, I'll just fill this below. I hope everyone is able to see this. This is the mechanism. The difference between a top hang and openable. We give you additional plate over here and the normal motor mechanism what we have over here. So the moment we rotate it, it leans up. 30 degree, 60, 90, 180, we are there to help you out with the hardware. Krishna sir mentioned, really great. I think so. This is a great innovation by Windshield. Having this kind of topping and openable windows with a wonder operator mechanism, it is very beautifully to be installed at a kitchen area where any lady who can operate. Because most of the ladies have this difficulty. You have a kitchen counter of 2.5 feet and then you have the window. So giving an openable window is the biggest challenge because the handle comes in between. So this is the best option for all architects, all engineers, who's over doing a facade work or UPVC window. They can recommend their customers. Yes, cost-wise, if you're looking out, yes, there would be a different changes between an openable window and a window operator. But more recommended, even I do recommend all my customers go with a window operator for kitchen. Because any age of lady will have, because and the minimal height in Indian ladies is around 5.5 feet or below that. So it's very easy for them to use it. So what height do you require the window? What size do you require? We are there to help you out with it. Yeah. Can you continue?
Adding to Ramchandra sir, here for these windows we have another beautiful feature that this can be used for more secure also, because once this window is installed, inside we can put the grill. So inside grill is always safe and very secure. And if you know the stickering mesh, so if you use the stickering mesh also, so above that grill, so you will be having mesh on inside, grill inside, and if you want to have a ventilation, just rotate this, you will be getting good ventilation. It's very easy, very friendly.
I would be really interested to hear that from you. If anyone has any window on the first floor and which you have given as a fixed window, there's no ventilation, it's only for light purpose. He is the person who changed our perspective over there. Instead of giving a fixed window, we don't use the wonder operator. And really, it's not my feedback, it's my customer's feedback to him, because it's really fabulous for them. So I think so, you people can change your thought process, giving a fixed window at a staircase or a height, we can use this. We can give an extension rod. This mechanism will be here, but an extension rod to your height, you can operate it there. So which can be modified. So I think so that's much more easy for anyone, any person who, like we all in our houses, we require what? Every window should be operated. It should be smooth finished. We don't want any like window to be closed, or we don't want that to, it should not be used for long time. Windows are there to be used, so please let me know if you have any queries or questions on these topics. I'm there to help you right now. You want to add anything?
Guys, now the third and last one is automated window opener. This window, since 3 years we are using the same thing. We are trying to promote this hardware. With so many clients, we explain it, we try to give demonstration. Yeah, but of course it is working a little bit. And I just wanted to say that while transporting to here, there was a small hinge misplacement, but we just fixed it. But it is not properly locking. But yeah, it is still working good. I just wanted to open that. The window will lock automatically here. You can see the handle. I said that some hinge problem is there, but yeah, this one. So this can be operated 3 ways. One with manually, another with we had a switches over there, third with the remote. This remote has a capacity the length of 20 meters, and basically the main function of this I may recommend for the office. When we sit in the office, when the door is for long distance, want to open and close the door, definitely this will be the very good operation. And if you have a top window, or if you want to open a door from first floor or something like that, this will be a very good application to use it. सर एक बार बोर्ड के साथ ओपन करो ना, स्विच ओपन करो ना।
Camera.